Hi, Bob Doran here from Digital Gold Academy, and I want to start off by thanking Lisa Regas, Mir, Abel, at the Box Workshop and their studios, their equipment, and Nicole and all the people that were able to put together something that I had within me, a story that I felt can empower a lot of people, help a lot of people, not just by financially, but empower a lot of the unbanked people around the world with the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. I've had so much success in the industry and I wanted to share it, but I wasn't able to put it out there, and I felt like I was playing small. So luckily a good friend of mine had an awesome experience at the workshop, told me about it. I connected with them from the very beginning. Everything was handled so professionally and helped me because I'm new to the space and I didn't have a clue. I was totally clueless. But for them to be able to work with me, and then in one day, today, I was able to put together my box and create my story that I can now share with people around the world. So again, a heartfelt thank you to all the folks involved at the workshop and the studios here. I want to thank you so much. I just feel that I can help so many people out there in the world. So thanks again to everybody.